Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are hale and hearty, so am I. Today I'm here to share with you a complete skincare routine for acne prone skin. For the people who are not aware, there are 6 types of acne: whiteheads, blackheads, papules, cystic acne, nodular and pustules. But the question arises, why do we have acne? There may be innumerable reasons for the same. So before treating, we should know the root cause of every problem, isn't it? First and foremost, if you're not taking good care of your skin, you tend to have cystic acne because it is formed when oil ducts become clogged and infected. It occurs especially in the teenage years. Second cause may be you wear makeup for a longer time and do not remove it properly. It is highly advisable for people with acne-prone skin to go light on your makeup. Now I will share with you all what I have been using on my acne-prone skin since a very long time and what all products have helped me to get rid of my acne. But before that, let me clear it to you that I'm in no way promoting these products. It is completely my honest review after using them, and of course it is not a promotional video. So here we go. First comes the cleanser. So here I have 2 purifying cleansers in my hand that I'm using nowadays. This is Kaya Acne Free Purifying Cleanser. It contains salicylic acid and people with oily and combination skin can very well use it. Hardly many people know that salicylic acid has acne fighting properties that helps reduce acne and prevent future breakouts. After using this, my skin doesn't feel stretched or dry. I highly recommend this cleanser to you, my friends. It is quite affordable, just for ₹150. The next cleanser that I am using of late is the super hydrating AHAGLOW. It is easily available online. It was recommended to me by a dermatologist whom I recently consulted. It genuinely rejuvenates my skin by shedding of old and dead cells. It improves skin tone, unblocks and cleanses the pores. This is definitely a must-use product. I got it for ₹435. Next comes the toner. After cleansing your face, to apply a toner. I'm using CLEARSKIN by AVON. You people can clearly see my bottle is about to get over. I would definitely buy a new one. It clears the skin, blemishes and acne spots like a dream, seriously. It does contain salicylic acid which helps control the acne causing infection on your skin. I bought it for ₹399. After toning, the third step is to apply a good moisturizer. So here I have 2 in my hand, one for dry skin types and the other for extremely oily skin type. I bought this Leaf Roots Anti-Acne Face Gel for ₹749. It contains tea tree, aloe vera, neem and tulsi. It claims for being useful for all skin type, but I am not very happy with this product. It dries out my skin like Sahara Desert, seriously. Maybe I have combination skin, that's why, but if you have very oily skin, you can definitely go for it. It will do wonders for your skin. It has a very nice fragrance also. What I am using to moisturize my skin is this ACMIST Moisturizing Creamy Gel. It is enriched with vitamin E and aloe vera, and I'm seriously in love with this product. It helps to clear blemishes and promote poreless, flawless skin. MRP of this product is ₹336. You should always moisturize your skin even if you have oily skin. Oily skin people with acne should use a water-based moisturizer, so never skip it. Now let's quickly move on to our last step, and that is applying a good sunscreen. Sunscreen which I apply almost every day is this NEUTROGENA ULTRASHEER Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50+. It leaves my skin soft and smooth. It is waterproof and sweat-proof as well. It is the best sunscreen that I have ever used. It evens out the skin tone. This lightweight sunblock is gentle enough for even sensitive skin. It is non-comedogenic, which means it won't clog pores. MRP of the sunblock is ₹199. That's all for the daily skincare. Now let's quickly see for the weekly skincare routine for acne-prone skin. For this, you need to apply a face scrub and a pack twice a week. For this, I would recommend using Good Vibes Peach Fresh Skin scrub. It deep cleans the skin without irritating or scratching it. MRP of this product is rupees 195. Follow this up with BIOTIQUE MYRISTICA face pack. This is BIOTIQUE MYRISTICA face pack. This spot correcting face pack treats pimples and helps control the bacteria that causes breakouts. MRP for this product is rupees 199. Apart from treating your acne superficially, you need to detoxify your body as well for a beautiful skin. For that, you need to eat healthy and drink lots of water to flush the toxins out of your body and further remain hydrated all day long. You need not touch your face again and again. This can increase the infection on your skin. See a dermatologist if you are suffering from severe or chronic acne conditions. You need to always consult a doctor. Avoid makeup as far as you can. Go light on your makeup. So that was all I had to say in this video. I hope you liked the video, and to end it all, I want to say acne is just a part of your life and it's important to treat it like any other disease. Love your skin, be kind to your skin. Now I'll take your leave, and if you are new to my channel, please take a moment to hit that subscribe button and press the bell icon for all my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.